It's your girl J Live, J and J Shine. My other half, Jay Shine, couldn't be here today, but we are in the Champagne Room. Shout out to Neil, Vibe Nation, Supernola Studios. We got DJ Domi, we got Prime, DJ Blaze, we got Jiggy, aka Monica. Say hello. This is how it goes down in the Champagne Room. It's about to go down. Oh, there's another room over there. Should we go look at the other room? Come on. We got the beautiful ladies on the balcony of the Champagne Room. We gotta look. Say hi, ladies. Can you see over there? Neon Extreme at Club Sky. Shout out to Vibe Nation. J and J Shine live at Club Sky with Supernola Studios. Hey, I think Monica should sing a little something for us. Go ahead, Monica. Let him hear you.
I can't even hear myself right now.
I need something.
Camera, please. All right.
I need something. Go ahead.
All right, I think I can hear myself here. Good. All right, I'm gonna sing some Michael Jackson. Whoa, whoa. All right, good. All right, ready? Hey, pretty baby with the high heels on. You give me fever like I've never ever known. You're just a product of loveliness. I like the groove of the walk, your talk, your dress. I feel your fever from miles around. I pick you up in my car and we'll paint the town. Just kiss me, baby, and tell me twice that you're the one for me, the way you're making me feel.
J and J Shine, J Live's in the building. We're here with DJ Eakin, Tampa's #1 connected DJ. Let him know, Eakin.
Am I supposed to hold this smile the whole time like this? It's like the corporate smile, my bad, man. Vibe Nation, shouts out to Neil in the building. Shouts out to Supernola with that like monster light. Yo, I don't want to be the stupid dude with shades on in the club, but whenever you pull out that light, I gotta throw some shades up in here. My bad, I'm sorry. How you?
How are you?
You can't ask me the same thing back without answering first.
I'm doing good. How are you?
I ain't asking you how you look, I said how you doing.
Oh.
Hey, yo, wait. I ain't gonna tell nobody. She let me feel her butt earlier. I didn't tell nobody, did I? I'm sorry, my bad. I am so out of focus, my bad.
This is J Live signing out. We're at Club Sky, Neon Extreme. Make sure if you want some photos, you hit up Supernola Studios, the dopest photographer in the 813. Much love to my girl Jay Shine. I wish you could be here with us. Over and out.